4 inches deep. It's been 3 weeks, and it's a lot of work. And it's coming down to the crunch time because I already ordered the crushed rock and the road base, and I already have the gopher wire. So I gotta get moving. I got the whole weekend to do it. So I got the whole weekend to finish excavating, gopher wire, and then crushed rock on Tuesday.
And then what are we doing right here?
Crushed rock, California gold.
And a pathway?
And a pathway. Yeah, still got to do that. So.
Because our garbage bins go over there.
Yeah. Or we also walk here.
Yeah, we walk here.
We walk across here to get to the garage and then
go in
back,
the garage,
and then you don't want to track in. Plus, you don't want to wear out the crushed rock either.
Yeah.
I feel like we're gonna discolor it if we keep stepping on it.
We're not discolor it, but it'll end up coming out. Yeah.
Kind of like we do here.
Good job.